Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your dishwasher door isn't closing properly, it could be a damaged or bent door strike. In this episode, I'll show you how to install a new one. Thank you to Frigidaire for sponsoring this video. To begin, you might need a screwdriver or nut driver. Keep in mind, there is some variation between models, and not all dishwashers will have the same parts. You can enter your model number on the Reliable Parts website. This will bring up a model breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed on the side. First, shut off the breaker to disconnect the power. In some cases, you can unplug the dishwasher. Now shut off the water supply valve. This should be located under the sink. Open the door and unscrew the mounting brackets. Now slide the dishwasher slightly forward. Remove the mounting screws. Now remove the door strike. If the plate is damaged or bent, then it's best to install a new one. Align the new door strike. Now, tighten the screws. Next, check the alignment to make sure the door is able to close. Slide the dishwasher back into the cabinet. Now tighten the screws to secure the mounting brackets. Turn on the water supply. Next, reconnect the power. If you found this episode helpful, then subscribe to our channel. And when you need a replacement part, you can get it online or in one of our Reliable Parts locations. Thanks for watching.